Welcome to the Q&A session for Exploring Human Spaceflight. We've had a question from Samantha asking about how to structure curriculum coverage for the year and whether you should teach space as a standalone unit or whether to weave it into other topic areas. I mean, this might actually depend on your school and how your school works. Obviously, it is a good idea to teach some of the concepts by themselves, but it's a really good idea to actually use space as a context and link in lots of other parts of the curriculum. So it becomes something that children are learning about in lots of different ways, and they can apply the knowledge that they're learning into the different subject areas. Really like the idea of teaching space perhaps, and then reviewing later by doing a topic on materials and their properties, and looking at that in a space context, because again, it just will support the learning and they can revise and review all the things that they've learnt in space earlier in the year. I mean, there is a benefit as well in teaching Earth and space more in the autumn, winter time, because you have the darker nights perhaps. Maybe Tom, you want to answer a little bit more on that one?
Yeah, so it can be that if you're doing a kind of astronomy type part of it, that you might want to use autumn kind of nights to go out and look at stars, but you can do a bit of daytime moon viewing as well. That we've got a resource for that that we've linked out to, so you can sort of do your own little on shadow sticks and things like that link in, so you can do sort of summertime stuff on there. We had a question from Colin about using or having a group that we can continue to share resources online around different key stages and things like that. The best thing that we would say to do for that, I think, is to go to the primary community group on the STEM Learning website and continue to share there. We do, if you go into the ESRO microsite on the STEM Learning website, then you can search within that for resources. So it's broken down in terms of topics and key stages and things like that, so that you can see just the space resources in there. And there's also, if you search within that for ESRO resource audit, there's actually an audit that somebody did for us that looks at the different types of space resources that are around and how that links into different areas of the curriculum. So I think it just remains for us to say thanks again for joining this course, and we hope to see you in the near future on another one of our Future Learn courses.